few people have joined the group in the last few days, and I thought I would pop in and tell you a bit about the basic formula for EFT tapping, because I'm not sure how many people are very familiar with the technique. So I thought I'd just run it past you. And I will do a normal tapping with Bea session on Wednesday, which will be about parts work again, parts work, part 2. If you're interested in the science behind EFT tapping, because there is such a thing, and the whys and hows, I suggest you consult the website of the Association for Comprehensive Energy Psychology in America. I shall put the link to their website in the comments, and it's really worth having a look at it because they're the one now funding a lot of the research, and you will see lots of interesting papers about why it works and how it works, because it does. It's now been scientifically proven that it does work. So if you're interested in all of that, please consult the ASEP website. They know far more about it than I do. So EFT tapping, very simple formula. It's you tap with your fingers on points, acupressure points, on your face and on your body. So this is the traditional points, and underneath the arm. Okay, sometimes you'll see me tapping on the top of the head. That's because apparently there's loads of different meridian endings there. So eyebrow, corner of the eye, underneath the eye, underneath the nose, chin, collarbone, underneath the arm, and top of the head. Okay? And even if you just do that, just do it with me, just feel it, just there, tapping on the corner of the eyebrow, corner of the eye, underneath the eye. I don't know about you, but I always find myself relaxing. And then underneath the nose, underneath the chin, collarbone, underneath the arm, and top of the head. So that is your basic EFT tapping points. Okay? Then you have to identify what it is you want to be working with, whatever it is. And I suggest you write it down because it's important that you find the right words for it, words that resonate with you. And that's kind of part of the fun of it. And I might do another session if you want about how to do that, how to reduce it. Because tapping on, even though I'm frightened, it's going to help you somewhat, but you need to be more specific than that. Or saying I'm anxious, you need to be more specific than that. But it will do if you just want to tap even though I'm anxious. That's fine for now. What we need to also know is how much do you feel this? So on a 0 to 10, 0 you don't feel it at all, 10 is you're overwhelmed, and actually when you're overwhelmed, I don't know if tapping will help, but you can try. So if you're overwhelmed, just tap, basically, and try not to say anything because you probably won't be able to vocalize what you're feeling. But so think about the number, what number is it? And then write it down. So now you have a statement, I feel whatever it is, which you don't like very much, and the number, okay? And the first thing we do with EFT tapping is we state what is going on right now, okay? And you tap on the side of the hand. The reason we tap on the side of the hand is because it is a lot of meridian endings, I'm told, are on the side of the hand. So tap on the side of the hand gently, and you say, even though I feel whatever it is that you want to be working with, I accept this is where I'm at right now. And you do it 3 times. Even though I feel whatever it is, I accept this is where I'm at right now. And if you want, you can even add the number. So even though I feel whatever it is, atom 7, I accept this is where I am at right now. Okay? And then you start tapping and you're focusing on the number. I feel sad, whatever, at a 7. It's a 7. And then the corner of the eye is a 7, corner of the eyebrow. Underneath the eye, it's a 7. And you're breathing, it's a 7. It's a 7. It's a 7. Underneath your arm. And then top of the head. And then you pause, you breathe, and you ask yourself, has the number changed? How do I feel right now? Am I still feeling a 7? Has it gone up? Has it gone down? Has it stayed the same? So if it's gone up, you tap with the new number. If it's gone down, you tap with the new number. If it stayed the same, you tap with, I stayed the same, so it stayed the same. Still 7. Or, oh my God, it's a 10. It's a 10. Or it's a 3. Whichever. And you go and you do it again and again and again. And you tap like that until you've got to a number that feels more comfortable for you. And you start to be able to think again. Because one of the things EFT tapping does is that it soothes your nervous system, which means that you stop abreacting. It calms you down, basically. And it allows your frontal lobes, which is where your thinking mechanism and your solution focus thing happens, to kick in, so that you can then start thinking about what you're doing, what you're feeling, why you're feeling it, or whatever. So this is a very brief and simple explanation of how you do EFT tapping. If you have any question, if you want any more of this basic information, let me know in the comments below. And I will see you on Wednesday when I'm going to do another element of parts work, which I'm hoping you're finding interesting. And welcome to all the new members. It's lovely to have you here. And yeah, I'll see you on Wednesday. Bye.